I'm Ikra Zakir and you're watching United News. Today's news headlines are: Delhi's air quality has worsened to severe levels for the first time this season, according to the Central Pollution Control Board. The pollution poses serious health risks for residents. India supports an early ceasefire in Gaza, says Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar during a meeting with Saudi Arabia. The move aims to reduce violence and protect civilians in the region. Following a stabbing incident at a Chennai hospital, the Indian Medical Association has called for an overhaul of security measures to ensure the safety of healthcare workers and patients. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has accused the Jharkhand government led by Chief Minister Hemant Soren of helping infiltrators in the state. He called for stronger measures to protect national security. Amid the ongoing Karnataka row, Congress defends the Muslim quota, calling it a matter of social justice. The party is trying to counter BJP's criticism over the issue. In the third T20 match against South Africa, Tilak Varma scored a brilliant century, leading India to a thrilling win and a 2-1 series lead. Let's take a deeper look. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar underscored New Delhi's stance advocating for an immediate ceasefire in Gaza to prevent further loss of civilian lives and humanitarian suffering. India and Saudi Arabia engaged in discussions on the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict on Wednesday, with both nations expressing their respective positions on the crisis. The conflict has escalated as Houthi rebels from Yemen and Hezbollah from Lebanon, both backed by Iran, have intensified their attacks on Israel, forcing Tel Aviv to engage in a multi-front war. Saudi Foreign Minister Prince Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud emphasized the importance of coordination between India and Saudi Arabia, stating that both nations would continue to align their positions on shared concerns, particularly regarding international peace, security and economic development. Keep watching United News.